Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're excited to take a closer look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Fortuner. This SUV is renowned for its exceptional off-road capabilities and adventure-ready features, but has Toyota taken it to the next level for the 2025 model year? Let's dive in and find out. Firstly, the exterior has undergone a significant redesign, boasting a more aggressive look. The new Fortuner features a larger hood, sharper headlights, and those muscular wheel arches that scream, "Let's get dirty." It undoubtedly exudes a more commanding presence on the road. Moving inside, the interior has received a major overhaul as well. We're seeing upgraded materials throughout, with a focus on comfort and functionality. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a sleek, modern look, and a large touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage. There are even rumors of rear seat entertainment screens to keep passengers happy on long journeys. Under the hood, things get interesting. The base engine is expected to be a 2.8L turbocharged diesel, but there are also rumors of a mild hybrid option being developed. This could offer some nice improvements in fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. The engine will likely be paired with either a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission, and all-wheel drive will be available for those off-road adventures. So, how much will all this goodness cost you? Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but we expect the starting price to be around $40,000. That puts it right in line with other midsize SUVs in its class. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner looks like a compelling option for anyone seeking a capable and comfortable SUV. The aggressive redesign, upgraded interior, and potential for a fuel-efficient hybrid option make it a very attractive choice. Of course, this is all based on information available so far, and we'll have to wait for the official release to get all the details. If you're in the market for a new SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the new Fortuner in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.